Do you know how one of the world's most famous highlighter is made? The production begins with the raw materials. Then highlighter's body is shaped using the injection machine. Now the pen cap and seal is manufacturing using the injection machine. Printing the logo of the company on the highlighter body. Now printing the barcode on the highlighter. The shaft gets the ink reservoir and then heat sealed with the conical part. The ink is filled into the highlighter and then fitting the durable writing tip. Now fitting the cap on the highlighter using the automatic machine. Then the highlighter passes through various quality control tests. The highlighters are packed using the automatic packaging machine. Finally, the highlighter is ready for the customers.